McBrown's kitchen. Again, you bet McBrown's kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello Ghana. This is Nana McBrown. And that's what's nasi. Obesha McBrown's kitchen me boy. Yes, and untimi mo kwaba. Makacho say season we dey asesem o. Ye bi bia asesem. And aduane e be dey bi mahada. Ama mepem ho asem. Man tramba bi masakofa another ama. Na munya botre. Enchemeda na di. And untino me dey aseda be my high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Sana Tasty Tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. I was for awake purified drinking water. Semi BMI high sense fridge mo pet both awake and I'm in no. Awake and I'm no me feel beer. Because omo yi into what beer meto beer the work on the winter me only say no so main contribution me ye ko. Meaning you be a yason for so no. Say I work you 1 million Ghana. 1 million Ghana. And I dear work at you center kolebu. Into no say, Mumwame. Now work you man so. Na cost of a boy na. I was for my kitchen, launcher kitchen for and a yemami. Launcher. It is a open your kitchen. It doesn't matter the space. It doesn't matter so what sit down we and I think I will be see. We shall launcher kitchen over Instagram, Facebook. Na Uno madi in komo. Me bacho pi delay mackerel and sardine. Ono so da so jina na so. Eno to da so come McBrown's kitchen ho. Inti no delay say ne mackerel no de. Na pardon penim. Sardine no so bi so de ani say kama. Na ka no was a peche no. It is like that. Eda ankasa. And na me ba ye aduane. Me ba ye aduane no. Eda me de anwa kakra be ka ho. Na anwa me de aye Borges olive oil. Borges. And no na make come formal because ye di anwa de wudi wi an bi wa change MP but Borges there make come formal cholesterol free kakra bi na waduane aye kama wudi and now touch ma so ma wakoma ho hyehyɛ obon front into Borges the very best always and maybe ye aduane so chance and na me di besi me launch ja so ane na me ba ye aduane am here chancy now so no be here be no tissue Royal Kitchenware for Makola House shop number 7 Angelina House me do omu number beto dwa ai ye be didia me de beto dwa now no my business me say frɛ omu na gin chancy to be na koto because we seek a beso a good business into no try say they make a obefa I was for mother, my boy for omu yi sika de boa me ase awie na me ba me nuamu a e boa me ma me siesie me ho enne de se me wura baba no de ho so mitimi kasa wura no wom me ka ba me chen first lady na ta say am tade o style no da ho e chic collections anu adwuma enne me finfinfin na ekosoro makeup Allegina ba ko pe ono a ne kura mani mu ode me ko eba me train you beauty bow hair and spa for na here. Aye. Apple pie so and adaroma where me printing mommy. Mama me ntwa me homra. Me ba ama versus ama. Ye ba ben no aduane.
High sense. Madam High sense. Mama, na go pon shramo. First screen number to any cray. Na mama de ma ye fefe. Na me ba junior. Sister o kire ne so onya dia. 10 no awie. Wo pe kwan ya be TV. It is empese me fie ni ema nyina. E High sense.
And we need this amount. Ye the bibi from here by a friend no. High sense mega factory discount. Ye name our factory na. Ya tete so say na fi we dia no. E sha say every 8 to 28 August. What 20?
And even na for that no ma san ate so.
Ya tete so.
E condition
ya tete so.
Ya tete so.
Ya tete so.
Gas cooker no so.
Ya tete so. Say High Sense factory near Manina. Ya taking to say,
High Sense, Yenya Mudeni, Muya Bwe, High Sense, Yenya Mudeni, Muya Bwe.
Look what woman say. Factory, and I'm on a young and look, you to meet the Society Pebia. And my review said, 58 to 28 August, a High Sense mega factory discount. More High Sense showroom beer, and a game shop will be a quite dear. So when him say High Sense there, everyday prices for everyday people.
And na edru meso some dear busianhia mu yeni sadia mu nim no omo mu jaje ade bia obeye no so beba hobby to say uncle me school
351251
Abusa for me mama kwaba McBrown's kitchen aduane pa de and na ye baba no aduane bi mahada na nipa baba no ane de baba start baba say oh it's okay or no ane betumi I say aduane one what the bro foka de opinion na menua no oye madwuma ye bi ye fa ni jenhia ama versus ama DJ boy me no nyom na on fan ram ama K Abebrese. Oh yes. Hey.
I'm starting possible.
Why are you taller than me? Why?
Oh, my share me.
Why?
Hi, how are you?
It's my wo. It's asking. You baby, why? Hallelujah.
Amen.
Oh, it's asking. Say baby, why? I name it then. Oh, say, baby, now why, mommy?
I'm gonna start
So many. Me we mano. Me can't say me why? Where current praise? Baby, now why, mommy? It's just so many. Me we mano. Me can't say. Me DJ, Jai, now they are
start crying.
DJ, Jai, now mama person me come send about. I was at McBrown's kitchen. I'm a new the pound.
I love this song.
No,
I love this song.
I'm inviting you the next season. McBrown's kitchen.
Yes, I love this song. It was the first Ghanaian gospel music I was ever introduced to.
I'm an amateur. Mr. P.
Hey, boyfriend now. I've been one. First Ghana gospel nyoma. Mekai. At first, I meant enyom na say.
Okay.
Into Mekai, I asked my mom, busa me mame, eno cheche mumu, and Daniel.
Yeah.
And I cheche mumu. And I was like, wow, and it's such a powerful worship song.
Okay.
Very powerful worship gospel song.
K Abebrese.
Yes.
Would you pa want to treat ya?
Me to tree. It's not any fair. Me to tree pa.
What to treat pa? And the one day answer McBrown's kitchen.
Mecca.
Prove me wrong, since
Oh no, Mecca. No. Mecca send me actually. Mecca send me free Ghana na me share.
Okay.
Right. From Kumasi. Hey, shout out Kumasi. And I grew up in like London. Sometimes in California, no money, you know. And that time I think I quite me like 9 or
okay.
You know, you acclimatize.
I'm not
So what happened? They said no. 80.
Me cut out some minion, and I'm me introduce Mangasa Opakasa.
Me pekasaka kenti. And to Ghana for Munjai side, because sometimes we'll be try menstruating because it's not nice. And for the longest time, no. Not as me first me country, right?
What is your name? I'm a K Abebrese.
It used to be I'm a K Abebrese.
Abebrese. How do you McBrown's kitchen, and I'm a KP, and I'm a bad thing.
Okay, so and then now me person me baby a reflect you know it's one of my favorite movies. Hey, Johnny me pepper, but a very English.
Oh, okay.
English, but me person me the Ghana twist for home. A Johnny your friend is shepherd's pie.
Shepherd's
pie. Shepherd's
Why shepherds wash my nice shepherd's pie. Thank you.
And the shepherd no pie.
And the shepherd no lamb. You use lamb miss meats. And who you used to be for your friend a cottage pie. And you see llama a shepherd's pie and number na you
where beef.
And a cottage pie. But and the difference there's a point in time I would share of you more.
Okay.
And but me as Antony Gan and in the oven a drew honema may use a poto wewa.
A poto.
Wewa. Oh. Clay pots.
Apotoriwa.
Apotoriwa.
Apotoriwa. Apotore.
Apotore.
Wa. Apotori.
Apotore.
Wa. Yankwana.
Apotoriwa.
Nice. Am I your ingredients? I did your cottage pie.
Yes, please. So, first and foremost, we have
the minced meat.
Minced meat.
Yanyam no. Yanyam dada.
Yanyam dada. Also, onion.
Jenny,
carrot. Yeah, well, some spring onions, but may use it for garnishing. And potatoes. Potatoes. Okay. Yeah, here butter. Okay. I like to use salted because I am in pension with my potatoes.
Okay, nice. And
yeah, well, fresh milk. We'll use a couple of teaspoons of fresh milk to make our. Hey, you use fresh milk.
From next country.
May here tomato paste,
tomato paste, they will be here tomato.
Tomato paste.
Yes. Thank you. If not, it's here.
And no, may here 2 tablespoons.
And me here. Me tasty Tommy, yeah. And also kind ingredients now.
And no.
And no swabba.
Yes. Okay, so onions no is the most important. So you chop onions no. And me here oil pacho.
Oil there, ama Borges olive oil.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so we've washed our hands and everything.
Nice. When you me konka ho waduane.
Debbie. And see very much English food. However, maybe the say usually they'll be in the no one kasa will style. So when it comes to instead of chopping, I usually like to use the peeler.
Okay.
So
it makes
it money is so easy. So
K Abebrese.
Yes.
Ghana.
Yes, Kumasi.
Yeah. Ufri hiangaza. Ukrom.
Okay, so say Kumasi ya call your mommy side so me free Achuma Kwahuma.
And now ufri Ghana age by Kwabrichu.
I think that time I'm 9.
9. Now call now call suku bibi our brucho.
Yes. Me used to carrots me and open more vegetables. I bet me used to. Also bear in mind you can also for cottage pie, bet me used to peas. Bet me used to more vegetables were inside. Okay. But we may very very simple.
Do you go school and up so
act. I wanted to do acting. So I always wanted to be on television. In Tinami school play. Yes, that's it. So right now patrol so mamia. At this point, so I'll just use just a splash of oil because naturally, the yes.
I want also know. What is a mere say a man 1 minute and Sunny day, would it go more and check now do Jenny Guna? Jenny and Moon see you look at the car and one horn. May all cook it together.
So I'm gonna let it Mamana
I check a crack.
Yeah, I made the carrots no ego. Well, yes, I know. Me fat. Just me no. Me use baby. I can't say me garnishing.
Okay.
So maybe
chicken also. No, I was for yeah. Cottage. I mean lower janana because I brown.
For now, it's okay. A brownie can cry some lower.
Oh, okay.
A brown. A cookie fast. And see, now me I do carrots.
I don't know. Me and Tim Peter are here.
Oh, just woman stare it for me. Right? It's right now. No. Me spring onions.
Yeah. Yeah, but now decided say, Ubagana Abe. Yes, comes one.
So
say a near corner.
And we are America near the Namnegum.
Okay.
I think my back is it 2008 and 9. I used to my short films. I hadn't done a feature film, but now I used to be a theater. I used to do. There was a theater company, baby, I'm called the Riverside Studios Theater Company. And I'm a teenager. I'm not plays. Later on, Lyric Theater in Hammersmith, almost normal summer company for young people theater, and also play at that time. The Queen's sister. Is it Margaret?
And now, you must
OBE came about. OBE TV was maybe like 5 or 6 years after. Later on, that time I'm at university. I'm going my degree. I was media arts, any drama.
Say I'm never come. Short time now ba.
Short me buy no. And funny enough is me call me a premiere. And Michelle Layla Johnson. That I know I in the first film here. It's called I Sing of the Well. And I was okay, audition about show Obama Maswati. And I Ukobi. Make audition. And I unya role. And I mean the lead role. That was for Sinking Sands. Sinking Sands. Yes. My first lead role in a feature film.
Oh, okay.
And
also your first film in Ghana.
In Ghana, yeah. And the film never out. So I was nominated for Best Actress in the lead role at Ama, the one African Movie Academy Awards. And then I won. I think from then on, most Ghanaians because because obviously I won the Best Actress in the lead role in at the Amas. If I say red Ephraim. Now most people at this point wait to me a season, but I'm train. And see, I'm baby Sasana, they will hear cool. And to my baby, I also have from the corner. Yeah. I understand. But I find that it's very tasty. Okay. Okay, so now maybe I used to tomato, maybe 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then maybe guma. There's usually depending. This is a friend of seasoning, no, I say Abebrese or what I did a friend stock. It's about 1 so 500 ml of water. Say it's only 500 ml. Yes. And now no. I said and 100% and moon one come into what offer me seasoning no my bread. Yeah. Okay. To me you should have. Me used to. Me tasty na me pa. One of the things, and I'm now you are using that fat and endorse baby. So and because usually I have something I'm not fat woman. She go and send out in so go. Okay. With Sadia pa shedding. In one she and one of some paper. Yes, so she go. How much to say? You have a year with your 80 white way say no right now no. It's so not come no. You say and one a fena taste no be and one and no. Maybe so. Okay. It's usually 40 minutes. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. For your catasso. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. You jana manai. All right. Jana to say. Yeah. Say. A crown over the arsenal. Queen Diana or the bar. Queen Brofu or the bar. Okay. It's where your best is the same. Oh, so when you weigh me up, baby, you know. I tried to use it for yummy anyway. And missing me potatoes. No. See, you trying to say now. You're the big boom. And they've been one separate. I've been one in separate. You've been always separate. I've been one is separate. Yeah, mincemeat no so. So potato no na they be me trim enti like okay. You better want to my sure. Yes, please. I'm a K Abebrese. Yes, Nana. I'm a now no my member. I know one. There be 3 girls. Nana, mommy and son. Sir, the tell me son say, I'm a K Abebrese. Yes, please. Yes, said any more she, any more platinum, ye name so a warrior, ye name of Nioma B, even one red carpet and cross, Regina Manchia B. What I say, 1 pound 1 seminar, Gamma. Me pay me 1 sem, that's true. You know why? to a certain degree, yeah, public figures. But my private life, my private life. And I just made that decision. Say, at least for now, maybe one day, message my dream and say, Mammy keep it and no separate.
Yeah, she.
Oh, now
why not in
who the only BBI? What's your problem? BBI, who name everything? What's your problem?
There be a massami kasama general public no. If personally, the anka me can get didn't come yankasa. And also strategy no. Yes, one I'm a care worry. Oh yes, worry. Why? Oh net I'm a kenyam. You won't picture who I'm a care oh Wagana, Debbie, oh London. Oh okay. I'm a BBI. You saw minim. What decided someone come once and I say one way, I mean wow.
Mechanic say I'm very happy.
Okay.
God has been very good to me. And I have a wonderful family, an amazing family. But for me to start putting if you're close to me, you know. I just think that almost say a private life. Into
a young baby on a part of noble Yamama.
Pacho Akabwa. I love him. I love him. No, he's such an amazing talent.
And he me pato Mr. DJ. But me Akabwa na me find. Okay, all right. Bo Akabwa mama na. There's a nama ke. Ye ni mama ke na ye get it to know mama ke. Kakra.
We're raising the tempo.
Yeah. Please.
Spin the rewind.
Well, I'm not. Second to chorus. Who say? Oh, maybe to your. My fatty now.
No, your voice is beautiful.
K Abebrese.
Yes,
Akabwa. Yes,
please.
Right.
Yes,
only Akabwa personally.
I've interviewed him. Time na me a breakfast show no ba so and I just admire him. I've said in many platforms there. Oh yeah, I do think as a singer-songwriter, he's so talented.
He's blessed.
Amazing. And and I just love him. Like his talent is amazing. I do think we should celebrate him a lot more.
So Hannah, you love him more, hey? Film.
Oh God, so many. Oh goodness. I love Nana McBrown. I love Mame Dokono. I love David Donto, Fred Amugi.
Okay. Okay.
Who else do I like to give, reverence to the OGs. Who your OG?
Oh yeah.
Who your OG?
Oh yeah.
And to be honest,
the OG for veterans, Uncle Fred Mono.
Honestly, I remember saying I share your films. I make kind that time I near back like Ghana holidays, cassette days. Yeah, total films were brave. Now no, seriously, like I watch your films. And I do think for me those days were some of the best.
Yeah.
Anti-Grace Notes. And even Kwame Safaka used to do movies.
Oh yeah.
I remember.
Oh yeah.
I used to have a crush on him. He knows.
Oh yeah.
I told him. Yeah, no potatoes na adwane. They're dinging na yeri.
All right.
So what may I say? Interior you be ho near the sija so. Near the chin kakra egu. No.
Okay.
It's called
Intebusa for McBrown's kitchen aguso ahwe ne ye twitwa ye potato. Ye cube no kire say ye chichem ye twitwa na square. Twitwem sa na say I come. Sabe so no. Yeah, mince meat no so I come. She go na me hwe we ngu ne fancy just. Yeah, who ye potato ne ho. Na ye dia be just. Okay.
Nana, at this point, what to me, a day we see a jacket when it's one. What was say? It's answer right now. I some stew bisa.
I is stew.
When put a high and pull. My when call very low heat. Okay. It's one will say.
My name is Sam. TM potato number. But you say pijama me.
Sorry. No. It's way no. Maybe she and circle.
Into Busafo. Yeah, they were potato no so sijaso. Yeah, no separate. Still your mince meat, carrots,
Jenny no ewa. Midinchne.
Go.
It's right now. Mommy potatoes now.
I've been on Sunday. I connect step.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay.
Enti right now, but the things that taste na be ko we mo no hear me pa.
Okay.
Enti.
Okay, right.
What's that before now? I say engineering, but right now what taste there? Ekom kaka ekom. Ekom.
All right. Enti try man abene.
Oh, and I'm not, to be honest, abene be ye mana.
Make up potatoes.
Potatoes no, but potatoes
no. Connected.
And one enti ye no ana.
Yeah. I was for McBrown's kitchen ye. And I am pabro for Diana. Ye go so ye wa hanom. Ye sha, ye stew ni watch said ye peno. Ye me potatoes on ja. Wow. Abene.
Enti ye bet me adum ni me nyina.
Ye bet me adum ni me nyina.
Yes, please.
Off. Next,
you can taste a bit of
it. Okay, beer.
Tasty. When I need that.
Come on.
Enti na ekoso no so machicha carrots. Carrots me steam ya. Maybe I made the best serving.
The see and the carrot they are separate.
Separate.
And you put it to be.
And that one and that one is just by Opa, if you don't have to do it that way.
By cottage pie there. Process na na egu so aye. Nti ya sonny honso
no meba.
Ya sonny awie.
Nti mama you free. Say meet me there see han.
I will between you see mama fa edua into mama.
So how me that say. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry.
They say you be nyam
or mepe mashi.
You be mashi.
The usually we use potato mash, but
no way.
Mepe when you potato use
okay.
And my main from bone soon kakra.
All right.
And so this is where my milk and my butter no.
That's how real milk no here.
Salted butter.
Okay.
So all powder me use unsalted.
Okay.
Just how say the osipanenti who say edem no. And now can start
and I baby you.
And no. Not my start. The Ghana, this is called improvisation.
Improvisation. What happen saying?
That's it. No, I know.
Say potato cry there. And yet, I would you become country.
Thank you.
Me so no. The butter no. And I fry potato no. What's be here you are? I can't have bottle. Where were?
Minka. Yes, sir, me.
And me for them, I will be here.
Mammy, a bottle. Where were?
A bottle river. Me pato. Wa pato you want no any.
Hold on, Auntie, here we go. Auntie, Auntie,
what was that from your room there? I mean some from. An apple dry, a neat, a clean.
A clean.
A show of mukran may yes you.
And it's fine. It's fine. Okay. When you're dry. Auntie, what was that? Auntie, right now, me mash the potatoes no. Auntie, this is where you need milk. Now, milk, no. Some bits me used to cream. But I'm using just so this is fresh milk.
Fresh milk.
Auntie, I'm going to just use a gravy and one.
Once a bed tablespoon.
Or to 1 or 2.
1 or 2.
Measure how I feel.
What episode do we be no one are you?
My man, you know, my chef first.
And I make candy. I cause you on the more.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. As a walker for phobia.
Aye.
But not quite.
Yeah. Oh, done no machine. Now the shebe be a ben na come.
Okay. Until now, no. Yeah.
Okay.
So when we finish, taste them.
I mean, you
Taste them. Mashed potatoes. Even at this point, Upe will be on person fan shit over man. Ube to me, I serve. Ube to me, I hear. Minced meat and no mashed potatoes. Adriana can say Adriana because they didn't right now. You be know I've been already. What I say? So, but yeah, the best share of them more. And at this point, yeah, preheated oven no. I gas mark 4. May I did a little bit milk because I want my thing to be a bit more creamy kakra. And now this is where the fun begins.
Okay.
Cause usually, you know.
And you good glass when you call him away. But you are so dear no free jam in the bind. Thank you.
Ghana style.
Ghana version.
Ghana style.
Yeah. Yeah, to take no. Okay.
I mean, money, you say. Here we are, and that's a pay. Yeah. And so I'm a fan now. Engum.
Wow. And a potato in the
Don't worry. Auntie, Mamma, na. Auntie, waho. O money in a straighter.
All right.
Okay.
Wow.
Say.
Wow.
Auntie, even we are now. Time for the mashed potatoes.
Time for the mashed potatoes.
Yes.
Got the mashed potatoes.
Auntie, and also right now, me better tea. Eguso.
Oh, okay.
Me we are. Now my spread it.
Go by plaster, Diana.
Aha, me by spread it.
Go by plaster, namus.
And I'm not so.
Okay. I'm a yafra.
Don't worry, maybe. My home and sana. The drew baby. Yafra. So. Maybe. Metiguswa.
And I'm a monster, you know, the other boom, and then she'll be one.
Oh, Debbie, no, and so.
No, sure.
Auntie.
Wow. Oh, Katanam, no,
Katanam, no, so.
Yeah. Plastanam, no, so. It's greedy, so.
And it's greedy.
It's greedy. It's greedy, so come on.
Yeah, we into the last one that we hear. You hear fork. Not fork, need to be a design one. Into my patron, my fork, right?
Okay.
Debbie. Yeah, but you see of him. But to be honest, right now, Adriana, no, or probably to me, a mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
But, I say, to make that. I could read right, Amma.
Yeah.
No, Debbie. Usually, what you just do is say, "Oh my baby, I get straighter." And all the oven here, the me brown in the keke.
Oh,
because I drown in a no way.
Okay.
So, auntie.
Now, what's on side? You made that.
Debbie. One who said ruffles near the bus of fork, no. Not as why you're rough. And you say so you're smooth.
Oh, okay.
Auntie. Me the other fork, no. A design beside.
Wait, dear, what Mamma cat to near the cement, a goofy one. With the cement to the trade, with the good cement to another prayer for so.
And
one survey so near true.
And so right now, no. Yeah, pa, you bet me.
Okay, and tell you when take a kind away.
Ed, me sign you into. What for oven meta? Night with your shot over my mama. Hey, do. No. Okay, what do you think?
I don't know whether me yama me ban obedi pa.
And colasso be brave pen.
I was afọ.
Me sign we.
Ye duane no ana ye wie no. Open the oven.
A potowa.
On McBrown's kitchen.
Yes.
And let me put my cottage pie in it. Open the oven. Oh. Yeah.
See, now you're man 20 minutes. Now brownie.
Wow.
So now last thing. Me carrots now me try. Better me this time. Mama home and sebi.
Yeah, better say no.
Yes.
It's a more different.
Oh, and me steamy keke. Into my home and sa. E jama home and sa na.
I said me come home. After mama.
Okay, so no, it's the last one. My area into my Wait,
say bad
carrots no, because the thing about food is a lot of times presentation here BBA. Into my whole room and sa into my carrots no, maybe steamy crabby. Perfect. Nyan kataso. Steamy we are near the serving German.
Okay, into ama. Your cottage pie na ya kata so ya na ya screen so no ase ovinum no ya wie epie ya na ye
di eno ana it wey na me dey ebe serve
o de garnish no na to say udi na ope bibia wi aboma na say wa from all right.
That's when my fan system comes on.
Matewase
thank you
Matewase Madam English I will say about sabe me da sense because oh, mother romantic, nam timid McBrown's kitchen brew. Tasty tom, mother Roma, and until I'm timid brew. I work purified drinking water at that Roma. Delay mackerel and sardine. Borges olive oil. Royal kitchenware. Sa and a launcher. A soka launcher kitchen. Into your try wants to see our baby banana. Yeah, you done an addition time. Yeah, free ovenum carrots. That's why ready. Now you're a fan of McBrown's kitchen, so Abedidi. Yeah, but see addition time.
Hisense.
Hey, Madam Hisense. Mami, I'm going to shiramo. First screen number to any a cray. Now, Mammy, there my fair. Now, my bad junior. Sister, I'll train this one idea. 10, no, wow, Pepaya, TV. It's the same person if you any many now. A Hisense.
And then one is this amount. Yeah, the baby from here by a friend. Hisense mega factory discount. Yeah, name our factory now. Yeah, take this to say, now, few Indian. As I say, every 8 to 28 August. What 20?
And even for that, and what's that?
Yeah, tits so.
I condition.
Yeah, tits so. Yeah, tits so.
Cook and swear.
Yeah, tits so. Say, Hisense factory near Manina. Yeah, tits so.
Hisense, Yanya Mudeni. Muya way. Hisense, Yanya Mudeni. Muya way.
Look what a woman say. Factory, yeah. And then when a young, yeah. And look, you to meet the test to send you a pebia. And my review said, it's 8 to 28 August. A Hisense mega factory discount. More Hisense showroom beer. And a game shop will be a. Look what you dear. So when him say Hisense dear, everyday prices for everyday people.
And na edru meso some dia busuanhia mu yeni sadia mu nim no omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba hobi to say uncle me school judge no
E was say who deep run to school for mu
auntie ama subai muja
Unsa mom so dodo
and na mekuma awusiesie mu judge
Debbie sister want to mend sister
I was say we nya kokodro won hyehyeye bia obeye ho impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwe emum ade baako a wonyina agitum ne waduane no adedede ni ne hwam papa bia awon dro wom ani fe ani said your paste na pi na ye the fiber any vitamins aka wonti Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix mebusuani nyina aduane a ede esanso ma ho den Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
351-251.
Charlie, why? Who know the?
Masa, make you look and disturb me at the play game.
And you know, if you have one of a training bar, who be cheer me cook, but you try getting tomatoes, so go to delay my grand, we'll go to the corner can manage. Yeah, what's wrong, Papa? The man can't walk on a for chantre and to tomato sauce or some ice cream.
Delay mackerel in tomato sauce.
Nampa dompenimu.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your girls. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
McBrown's Kitchen. Adiana pa de busia for me mama kwaba. Ye drew edition time. Ye babe didi. With the Hisense ya say everyday prices for everyday people. Madam Hisense, matiti so say kwajo dear. Tasty Tom. The only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. I am my uncle and say more jollof because we dear bibia na Abebrese dead. I was for awake purified drinking water. One is for life. I awake so come sponsors on. Na me da delay mackerel and sardine. Fred George, that was 0546768699. So person turn delay near manu be brea. Baby I will be ano. Omo de be mano. Na my business. Me ba chop Borges olive oil. Borges near dia cottage pie ya. Kakra bi near fire ama it say enam nani aye kamano. Borges and a yema wo. Na me da Royal Kitchenware for say Royal Kitchenware for ton chance papa ebe bua wujade. Into you show much akwan ewa Angelina House Makola shop number 7 Fanti Newtown so mo ho but eneno unta ha ho so nantipi fra wo mu nanya short mam was 055-996-7002 me pacho p ye babe didi ye ne ye fan and a beddy. But I'm son, no. Mamma, baby. I am a baby, and now McBrown's kitchen, they say, I know, young one. Say, ya. I shall say from beginning of show, I say that here, McBrown's kitchen, a child, dear. Ama, and that Ocean Guanin, I would dear. Aye, dear, kind, high sense, Amcom products. No, I didn't papa to say high sense now, Amcom. I wear iron. Nice. And it 2 burner gas cooker. Nice. Wood dear from high sense.
Thank you.
I'm a free down bar, Casapre consume me more royal drinks, me more smart choice. Flavored water, orange juice, royal orange juice, and awake purified drinking water. Casapreco sebenfa drink in sui and mount. Tasty Tom so say share. Yes, you can. Into Tasty Tom so hampany. Come. Delay macro suit to ama. Delay macro. And sana Borges olive oil. I'm an area chance see for my royal kitchen wear for. Oh, wow. Nice. You used to nip. Yeah, you see, and be die cast, papa. The tea plates come out of a towel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, are you ready to? I'm ready to eat. Thank you. But before we eat, yeah, funny Jay, she a fan of McBrown's kitchen. Aye. Desmond, bra, and then there. What the bra for by there? One for bra for ma. What name is say? What name no? That's why you're McBrown's kitchen. Who follow on Instagram? Who Instagram will be? Now page
Cooking music.
What's it?
Cooking music.
Cooking music. Cooking anything.
Cooking no yeah.
That is spelling me
K-O-K-A-Y.
K-O-K-A-Y. Music.
Pachai.
Cooking music.
Pachai.
And I hope so just see Zapodiala. What's on your man now?
Pacho.
What's on you?
Pachai.
My own no rap about when I sing about what's on you? Sing for us, let's see.
Life is like a journey. Everybody have to take it on. I'm taking mine, so I'm steady. I never could have put myself in the rain.
Hey! McBrown's kitchen, no. Talent, no. Obi odo me bia, rather the man say you are free. What? Who feeling more? Is it the winning? You feel like too? What? Yeah, my baby, Ama. Pacho, oven mitts. Oven mitts, yes, please. Yeah, oh, me, yes, please. I was at yeah, cottage pie is ready. Okay. Wow. Cottage pie. Thank you. And a shy you where you move. A shy you, Ama. So wow. Be careful. Wow. Yeah, show. Don't check it for once. I don't say kitchen. Very nice. Come on. Wow. Fancy, huh? Ama. Just say. Asamna Jimson. Yeah, I'm a way and a fat veggies, Mrs. And your max gets it. Go pay. Wow. You see, I have to say, I can't so. Me mama balcony catch me say, damn me, war. But I said, me, yes, so, dear. So, we okay, what's wrong with that? And also, dear. I remember. So I want to say thank you to Juby's Intercredit. Me done I say Juby's Intercredit. Nana Hema. Chacha. I say kind of good. Yeah, Chacha. Yeah, that's why. Thank you. We okay. Where is it? We need that. I potato what? And now potato in Namwa. I don't imagine a family. The battle with that family. Right? We okay. All right. We okay. Yes, another thing is, a man for more pay cheese, maybe cheese, but a man for to me. Nobody cheese a good so but where do we are wait they serve it over to me they serve whether chips or there but maybe then when I'm my fat carrots any spring onion kakra the began any mom pie pacho mama yes and that's one woman
ready you
oh that's one are you shy
video pacho
kakra everyone online
ready show somebody that amen
hey Ubedi nanti mi mom pai. Bra, we me na metiama audio. Ama you ready to serve yourself first.
Okay, auntie. Oh, mommy always serve the guest first. So mommy serve.
I'ma serve yourself. Get in pie boy.
Okay, so
the me na say dey na srim pie. Ya me na na kukodro ne kuma mu yentra. Na ka dey ye dey ni kwanse mo.
Me say so.
No one no asia no na what from under.
And me show me person.
And I'm no be separate. Mama nyama we. Mama nyama.
Okay, yeah.
Mama nyama.
Na edaso perfect. And no we are na yafa carrots, no.
The way go hama.
Oh, thank you, madam sir.
Me trauma tennis ana na carrots na go nchen. We dey ampo abrofo. I'm a yoga family.
And then we'll just use this to garnish. I'm just using a small garnish.
Hey, oh no.
Yep. Presentation, no.
Presentation there. Oh, bro, umpire ninti. O se suzuku and suzuku. And one year
I will take this like a behind here.
Oh, what is there? But the mama can never start to attend. Suzuku about Nati mitimu na ya simple na kawabu. Nti ya ganesheno. Carrot kakra. Hey. Na ofuzo bedi fufu.
Try and I am.
Now McBrown's kitchen.
Now I garnish kakra. And no, I don't know.
Yeah. Where the partner going? Birmingham Palace. Birmingham yes everyone. Me de muni me dada. Me ayen there.
Hey Nana.
Ama.
Eso.
Oh, what am I?
You need your energy. Crew no, you better won't be why. Oh, but it looks
too ever come one year, but where media, you they say na jokra kakra.
Aha, shinty. Nana your channel. Hey, what the
I'm pacho bi o hima na be didi ntinya wotsema. Hey, gengenga, we also ka gengenga. Gengenga, keteni potato. Keteni potato dia. Asar matum rebize be chimde dia. Ngama. Yeah. Media na ya kama. Wo fie na wo pebia dia. Hwe McBrown's Kitchen YouTube page. Na wa obetumi aye bia di kama. E wo fie. Garnish. Ya garnish you. McBrown's Kitchen ebusafo aduane pa ede. Ena dia. Menya ni aduane no nanso me gidi ese opede. Orange. Yo, bema Nigeria. I'm another.
Thank you.
Yeah, I am famous way abrofo diane. Aye. Inti die be didi cottage pie. You want to do na come on kura?
Your mom.
Oh.
Wow. I was over. I'm out. Me de odiana ni amede. Okay.
10/10.
Okay, me miss that.
But give me that over 10/10.
You like it?
I really love it.
Papa McBrown's Kitchen. Oh, mama cake. Who assemble abetu person bisa amake. So
I want to know what inspired you to get to the X Factor when the word action, both action.
I bro for no can
I know na member. Okay, who hear McBrown's Kitchen via the dictionary ba.
Person business says then a short thing say action what really inspired you like
and usually and yes say what action na ba shemu and your preparation na maybe my 1 week 2 weeks 3 weeks and also your juma no the longer you do it now it gets to the point what I say action na it becomes a bar
ama most me we ni pa bia you who were foreign movies too and then who what your Ghana movies you
me local films no films where I am a country but me chin into so there and I do things as a machino as a me improve to do a full tree movie. I'd like to do that one day. But maybe Diana said I think you're probably the only person why can't I say me your tree movie. I think why inviting me to do it once I am but I usually don't get invitations.
2019. Then that one my way.
Oh,
because you're quite half of 2019.
So I have a programmer called Champions of Society. It focused on different social issues and charities and health factors. So breast cancer, diabetes, leprosy, HIV, and I'm a feature among from Ejuma Papa was area no, and no idea show. Also, it was shown on Kwese, but it will be shown on different stations as well. Yeah, they call different stations. A documentary. And also, I have another film that is coming out and also a TV series. But, Eja, Edru Honumana.
When you do, aside from where you be before?
Yes, I am my own production company. I do corporate videos. What? Oh, Kase, did the media make Kasake?
That's how they hold you. Yeah, you are talkative Ghana, I'm okay, number one. As I'm not come on, can be just you have to love her for that because I'm not here. And that's why I said that I'm a doing one year Didier Barrier. McBrown's kitchen.
Thank you.
Bibi will be a chat to Abeka.
Thank you for having me.
Thank me for having you.
Yes. Thank you.
And thank you too for coming.
Oh. My pleasure. My pleasure.
A woman's always behind the scene, but why busy? That's smart.
That's smart.
Cocaine music. You mentioned I saw by McBrown's kitchen. Why?
McBrown's.
I was for McBrown's kitchen there. And then the immediate say, what's your idea? And no before from. I don't need more friend of papa until you be with fear never more. They say I record a studio. You record a Ahara studio. Ahara studio. Omo Instagram. What I saw from 0243 111 798. No. Na me de asede ma me nuam so omo bua me. Mo bibia mu. Beautiful Aligena chic collection and an apple pie publicity. You be share na otwe sene. Ba sene be ka baba be me na you book you back mom. Sorry, why? Ama, me chow near my way and launch a kitchen for me a jadi. Almost if I book him out. Oh, it's a project be other when you more, we show more on your muya, or tuber food over to Yakan kind. From no more measure mount. Do be a number could be our 40% discount.
Thank you.
Ama unza. A serious discount. 40% discount. Bemana.
Yes, ma'am.
J. If you royal kitchenware for now I say, share McBrown's kitchen and mammy. Boy, this olive oil in here. You go to church, you eat. Who did he? Who paid you? So bonfire. Nina, and wondering I'm prescribing boy this olive oil for you. Paddy, what do you bonfire? What I said? Boy this olive oil. Ama. Yapon. If Yapon, you better last song, no. DJ, hit me. This
song is our dedication to the two of us.
To the two of us, Let's go. DJ, Yanko, I feel I'm here. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, you doing the dance? Hey.
Yes, I'm
fine. Me best swimming to spend my day. Me best swimming to
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.